Now this imtihan, this testing has two portions, two parts. Firstly, it is the testing of our nature and intellect. Whether you recognize your Lord, your Creator, your benefactor, your provider, your sustainer or not. Whether you are lost in this world of matter or you can rise above this world of matter and you can have the consciousness of your Creator, your Lord, your sustainer, your benefactor. That is the test of intellect. When you have recognized Him, accepted Him again as your Lord, as you had accepted on that day of covenant, now it's going to be a test of your character. Now, can you speak to it? إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة. We have read this lesson, the ayat 30 to 36 of Surah Hamid Sajdah. And Quran gives us the most complete example of all these testings in the life of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. How beautiful are the words. وَإِذِ ابْتَلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ قَالَ إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا. Just remember, recall, when your Rabb tested Ibrahim in many things, many big things. Kalimatin, this tanween is for tafreem. Very big tests. And he passed all of them. He fulfilled all of them. First test of his intellect. He was born in a society where all forms of shirk were prevalent. King was claiming to be sovereign. Ana Rabbukum. He claimed. The dialogue that Quran has quoted. Hajja Ibrahim fi Rabbihi anatahu Allahul mulk. Ana he was need. He was claimed to be God. Then the idol worship. The idols which he brought when he went to some temple. Then there was the worship of the star. All sorts of shirk were there. And in that darkness, rather darknesses of all types of shirk, he became a muwahhid. Inni wajjahtu wajhiya lilladhi fatara as-samawati wal-arda hanifan wa ma ana min al-mushrikeen. He passed successfully the test of intellect and nature. Now the resentments of the society. He had to mop the face. Anta fa'alta hadha bi alihatina ya Ibrahim. Oh Ibrahim, you have done this to our gods. You can very well imagine the fury of that mob. Their God smacked by Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. But the courage of the person, just imagine. Then the father says, get out of my house. Get out of my sight. Or I will just stone you to death. वहाँ जुर्म ही मरी गया. That is in Surah Maryam. أراغب أنت عن آلهتي يا إبراهيم لئن لم تنته لأرجمنك واهجرني مليا. Oh Ibrahim, are you turning away from my gods, from my God? If you don't return, I will stone you to death. And instantaneously go out of my sight. قال سلام عليك سأستغفر لك ربي إنه كان بي حفيا. That he was to face the king. But he saw eye to eye with the king. فإن ربي يأتي بالشمس من المشرق فأتي بها من المغرب. I believe in that Allah who makes sun rise from the east. If you claim to be God, well, just for one day, you give the command to the sun that it should rise from the west. فَبُرِكَ الَّذِي كَفَرَ. There was no answer. Nothing of the sort. He had to keep quiet. Then he was thrown in fire. बेखतर कूद पड़ा आतिश नमरूद में इश्क अक्ल है महवे तमाशाए लबे बाम अभी. Jump into it. No apologies. No going back. Then he left his home and heart and country, traveling all his life. Now he is in Syria, now he is in Egypt, now he is in Hijaz, now he is in Palestine. Only calling, preaching that Tawheed of Allah. And the last examination, the most severe test, at the age of 100 years, and having only one son, which he got after praying Allah. Rabbi habli min as-salihin. فَبَشَّرْنَاهُ بِغُلَامٍ حَلِيمٍ. And when that son came of age, 13 years old, he was now running about with him, helping him in all works. فَلَمَّا بَلَغَ مَعَهُ السَّعْيَ قَالَ يَا بُنَيَّ إِنِّي أَرَىٰ فِي الْمَنَامِ أَنِّي أَذْبَحُكَ فَانظُرْ مَاذَا تَرَىٰ قَالَ يَا أَبَتِ افْعَلْ مَا تُؤْمَرُ سَتَجِدُنِي إِنْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مِنَ الصَّابِرِينَ. This is the last test. That old man of 100 years. And he became ready, not only became ready, he did his job to sacrifice Ismail, his only son, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded him to do so. Here the examiner, he had to stop. وَنَادَيْنَاهُ يَا إِبْرَاهِيمُ قَدْ صَدَّقْتَ الرُّؤْيَا إِنَّا كَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْمُحْسِنِينَ إِنَّ هَذَا لَهُوَ الْبَلَاءُ الْمُبِينُ. Just imagine, the examiner is saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, really this test was very great. Ibrahim, you have passed this on.